Hello everybody, welcome to e-learning. Today our topic is dissolution. See, dissolution means closing down of the business. That means the firm is going to close all the activities, and in account also, when you are going to close all the activities, you have to also record through journal entry. So from the accounting point of view, at that time of dissolution, what you have to do? We have to prepare first realization account. First you have to prepare realization account. Second, we have to prepare partners loan account. Third, partners capital account. Fourth, cash or bank account. These four accounts you have to prepare to close all the things in the partnership business or partnership firm. So one by one we'll learn. Let's go for the first, that is realization account. Right? How it will be, how we are going to prepare that realization account, we are going to discuss. See, let's go for the realization account. At the time of dissolution of the partnership firm, each and every partnership firm, they have to prepare the realization account at the time of dissolution, because they have to close all the accounts. So, and also to know the profit and loss at the time of dissolution, what is the profit and loss the business firm has earned, that we are going to know. So that's why we are preparing the realization account. How we will prepare this realization account? Let's go for. See here, we know the balance sheet assets we are recording this side and the liabilities we are recording this side. So for the preparation of realization account, you do one thing, you just note down all the assets, excluding cash, bank and fictitious assets, including goodwill. You note down here. Once again, you just note down all the assets, excluding cash, bank and fictitious assets, including goodwill, note down here. Similarly, you note down all the liabilities, realization account. In the realization account credit side, third party liabilities, I should say third party liabilities, you record this side. So when we'll record these things, we'll say all the account has closed excluding cash, bank and this side partners capital we have not closed. See, when we transfer all the assets from here to here to the realization account debit side and all the third party liabilities from here to here credit side, it's an indication that all the accounts has been closed. Only the account what we have left out, cash, bank and this side partners capital, we have not closed. Right? So that's why in our next step we are going to prepare all these accounts, because we have not closed that. So as we know that all the accounts has been closed, so after transferring this and after transferring this third party liabilities and the assets, if any adjustment, remember point number 2 yahan pe I can say, if any adjustment related to assets are given, then you have to record this side. You have to record adjustment related to assets, this side. That too also we have to record by cash or by partners cap. Why by cash or by partners cap? Because these two accounts we have not closed. So when you will sell assets, you will get cash, or any partner's taken, then you have to note down by partner's cap. That means after closing down all these things, if any adjustment related to asset is there, then you have to record realization account credit side by cash by partner's cap. Within this, we have to use these two accounts, because these two accounts we have not yet closed, right? Similarly, if any third party, I mean the liabilities adjustment, any adjustment related to liabilities, then you have to record here. You have to record here to cash or to partners cap account, to partners cap account, right? Because we have closed all the account, only these two accounts we have not closed. So that's why any journal entry we have to use these two accounts only, because we have not closed yet, right? And realization expenses, any realization expenses you have to record this side, right, according to the information of the question. So this is all about the realization account. What you have to do, take out the assets from this here. After noting down assets, this side realization account debit side, if any assets related adjustment is there, then you go this side and record either by cash or by partner's cap. Just go through the information, you will get idea where what I have to written. By cash I have to write, or by partner's cap I have to write, right? If liabilities you have closed down here, any adjustment related to liabilities are there, then come this side, you write to cash, to partner's cap, only these two lines. After transferring all the assets and liabilities, only two accounts they are going to use, cash account and partner's cap account. By these two accounts only you have to note on all the activities in the realization account. No other line we have to note. Only to cash, to partner's cap, or by cash, by partner's cap. These two lines only you have to use, and you have to complete the realization account. There will get the profit and loss, right? Okay, next account. After preparation of realization account, our next duty is that we have to check out that balance sheet. Any partner's loan is there, then you have to prepare separate account. So how will prepare the partner's loan account? First, you note down that balance brought down. That is, in the balance sheet you will find that figure. Note down here by balance brought down, right? After that, you just read out that adjustment, what they have mentioned. If they are mentioning that they are making more than the loan, then there is a realization loss, right? If they are making less amount than the loan, then that is a realization profit. If, let us assume, by balance brought down 10,000 was there, right, and that partner has agreed to receive 9,500 in full settlement, then you have to note down here to cash 9,500 to realization profit, to realization account bracket profit, you can say 500 rupees. Now you have to close. You have to close this 10,000 here, 10,000, right? If the question is given information like this, if the partner has taken 10,500 in full settlement, then you have to note down by balance brought down 10,000. Here you have to note down to cash. Here you have to note down to cash 10,500, and here other side, right? You have to note down by realization bracket, we can say loss 500, and this will be 500, this is 10,500. So that means you have to prepare the partner's loan account separately as per the section 48. We have to do that, right? Accordingly, if you are making more payment, then that is a loss. If you are making less payment, then that is a profit for you, right? So next, we have to prepare the partner's capital account. In the dissolution topic, it is very important. You have to read the question carefully. If after closing down of the liabilities from the balance sheet to the realization account credit side, when you are reading that adjustment, if any adjustment is not given, but you have noted down the liabilities here, then you have to make the full payment of that liabilities. You have to make the full payment of that liabilities. Again also, at the time of closing down the assets, we have closed down the assets destroyed. If against any assets any provision is there, that is provision for doubtful debt, investment fluctuation reserve, provision for depreciation, then the assets will close down here full value, and all the provision for doubtful debt, investment fluctuation reserve, provision for depreciation, you have to note down realization account credit side. Realization account credit side. Another thing is that investment fluctuation fund, okay, will close down here, but workmen compensation fund, we have to be very careful in the workmen compensation fund, because in the workmen compensation fund, the fund what you are having and the claim, we have to first close down the fund amount here up to the claim. If the fund is 1 lakh, claim is 60,000, then you close here by workmen compensation fund 60,000, then make a payment here to cash, and the remaining 40,000 capital account. That means that part of the amount what we are going to pay, we have to first record in the credit side. After that, you have to make payment in the debit side, and the remaining, if any, then you have to transfer to the partner's capital account. Okay. Okay. Lastly, what you have to prepare? We have to prepare the cash account. If after all these things your cash account is tallied, then we can say, okay, our numerical we have done perfectly. Thank you very much.